Welcome back to AI Assets, the channel where we break down the biggest moves in AI and tech investing every single day. Google Pay is rebuilding its entire payment infrastructure from the ground up, not for humans, for AI agents. The new system is called the Universal Commerce Protocol, and it is designed to allow AI agents to execute financial transactions completely autonomously. No human clicks, no human confirmation. The AI decides, the AI pays, the AI is done. Think about what that actually means. Right now, when you want to buy something online, you open an app, search, compare, click, and pay. In the world Google is building, your AI agent does all of that on your behalf, in milliseconds, while you are doing something else entirely. But this goes far beyond personal shopping. Imagine an AI agent managing your company's supply chain, automatically negotiating prices with suppliers, placing orders when inventory runs low, and processing payments without a single human involved. Or an AI agent managing your investment portfolio, buying and selling assets around the clock based on real-time data. This is not science fiction. Google is building the financial rails for exactly this future right now. And the market opportunity is staggering. The global payments industry processes over $4 trillion in transactions every single day. If even a fraction of that volume shifts to AI agent-driven transactions, we are looking at an entirely new category of financial infrastructure and an entirely new category of investment opportunity. The companies positioned to win in this world are not just the obvious AI names. Think about payment processors like Visa, MasterCard, and Stripe. Think about cloud providers who will host billions of AI agents running financial operations 24 hours a day. Think about cybersecurity companies that will need to protect autonomous financial systems from unprecedented new attack vectors. The AI revolution has so far been mostly about intelligence. Now, it is becoming about action. And the moment AI can not just think, but also spend, the entire financial system will need to adapt. Google just fired the starting gun on that race. If you want to stay ahead of the investment stories that shape the next decade of AI, subscribe to AI Assets right now. We publish new videos every single day.